Meaning of denotice.
DA notice.
Denotice.
Denotice.
DA notice. A DA notice, short for Defence Advisory Notice, is an official request from the UK government to news editors or broadcasters to voluntarily withhold sensitive information that could compromise national security. Although not legally binding, it is generally followed by media outlets to protect the interests of the state and its citizens. There are 5 levels of DA notice, each indicating the severity of the potential threat to national security. Failure to comply with a DA notice could result in legal action, and potentially harm the relationship between the media and the government.